Hey Litmus, this is Chris Vasquez. I'm the Director of Product at AWeber, and I want to submit a proposal with Nico Garnier from Mailjet. We have never met in person. We actually just talked about this today, but it's a really neat idea, and I have a ton of respect for what he's been doing and the cool things he's built and enabled, and I think it'll be a lot of fun. So anyway, what we want to talk about is how to make email fun, full stop. We'll walk through a number of principles from Jane McGonigal's book, Reality is Broken, which is all about what makes games interesting and how to use those things to improve our lives. And we'll also share a couple thoughts of our own to create a framework for making interactions that people actually want to interact with. The important takeaways here are that email interactivity doesn't necessarily mean complex code, that interactivity doesn't necessarily have to take place in a single email or even just in email, and that thinking about things that make games interesting, a goal, rules, feedback, and voluntary participation, that gives us a helpful framework for creating engaging experiences. And everybody who would hear this would leave with a simple framework for creating interactive email experiences that focus on the person reading the email and not the technology behind it. So if that's at all interesting, we would love to get the opportunity to talk to the Litmus Live audience. Thanks so much.